English speaking. Practice 4. Beginners. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have? I have $20. Who do you want to talk to? I want to talk to Rihanna. What do you want to say to Rihanna? I want to tell her something. When will she come? She will come in 20 minutes. Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. Are you American? No, I am not American. Are you allergic to anything? No, I am not allergic. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you married? Yes, I am married. How are you? I am good. Are you sick? No, I am not sick. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you take credit cards? Sorry, we only accept cash. How far is it? It is about 300 kilometers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.